There are new and pressing questions into the death of a Wayne County woman who was apparently killed by a drunk driver in 2005. I'm Joe Holden reporting from Philadelphia.
A peaceful protest outside a local bar tonight to remember the victim of a weekend murder. A small protest over a proposed fee in the city of Wilkes-Barre over protesting.
The weather may be cold and quiet tonight, but it will change big time tomorrow. More snow is on the way. We'll talk accumulations in your AccuWeather forecast. WBRE News at 11 starts right now.
On your side, this is WBRE News.
New details are surfacing about the 2005 death of a Wayne County woman.
Reports indicate that Diane Glynn was killed when a truck crossed the center line and plowed into her car. The driver of that truck is the stepson of a state police corporal. It's our lead story tonight at 11. Good evening. I'm Andy Mahalshin.
And I'm Lyndall Stout. An attorney for Diane Glynn's family called the response by state police who investigated the deadly crash inadequate. Reports show Dean O'Halloran was behind the wheel, and it's alleged he received special treatment because of family ties. Our Joe Holden has our story.
A letter sent to the state attorney general's office, the district attorney in Wayne County, and the commander of state police is asking that a criminal investigation be launched into the events surrounding an apparent drunk driving accident that took the life of a Wayne County woman.
He faced no consequences for his actions that day.
Attorney Mark Tanner represents Diane Glynn's 3 children. The Wayne County mom was killed in a head-on crash April 15, 2005 on Route 590. It's believed the details of the investigation were withheld from prosecutors, the media, and others. Glynn's family sued Dunmore man Dean O'Halloran, the driver apparently behind the wheel of this Penske truck that police reports show ran Glynn off the road, killing her instantly. The case was settled 1 week ago. Attorney Tanner isn't resting just yet.
We took up the issue because we represent 3 kids, and these kids lose their mom. And they are either going to be left with the knowledge that nobody cared and nobody did anything about it, from law enforcement or anywhere else, or they are going to see that at least the justice system responded as it should.
Tanner says O'Halloran was never given field sobriety or blood alcohol tests by state police investigating the deadly crash. These reports and accident reports obtained by the I-Team show unbelievably O'Halloran had been involved in another accident earlier that morning, a hit and run, according to documents, just 3 hours before Diane Glynn was killed. More records show O'Halloran eventually had a blood alcohol test that day at a hospital. Tanner believes the documents speak for themselves, showing O'Halloran was still over the legal limit by almost double hours after the accident.
We did all the work for law enforcement. We gathered all the evidence, we put it all together, and now we've sent it to them, and it's up to them to do something with it.
Is it too late?
No.
But there never was a criminal investigation, no arrests, no one charged. The Wayne County DA says this is the first he's hearing about the case.
Either this was one of the most inept criminal investigations we'd ever seen, or he was getting some sort of preferential treatment.
The Wayne County DA tells us he's taking a close, hard look at the massive evidence compiled by the Glynn family attorney. As for Diane Glynn's children, we're told they were initially separated after her death. They're now back together and doing as well as can be expected. We're reporting in Philadelphia. I'm Joe Holden, WBRE News.
Okay, Joe, thank you.